Good morning everyone. Welcome to Times of SJPS. This is Anjana Jaikumar from Syrian Jacobite Public School, Tiruvalla. First, the news headlines. A memorable glimpse in the world of cinema, an opportunity given by the President of SJPS, Sri Babu Tiruvalla. School Literacy Club conducted morning assembly by presenting a stage performance. Conducted science exhibition Digibite Expo 2025 as a part of Children's Day program. Tiny tots of LKG to 2nd standard enjoyed an outing. Students participated in Central Travancore Sahodaya Kalolotsav 2025 state level competition. School's Eco Club members visited the Community Healthcare Center in Kuttappuzha. Students participated in Central School Sports Meet and YMCA Balakalolotsav. All Kerala Pensioners Association conducted elocution competition and all sections of the school participated. Now the news in detail. On 8 November 2025, the President of Syrian Jacobite Public School, Sri Babu Tiruvalla, the renowned film director and producer, provided students and teachers with a special opportunity to watch his mega hit film Amaram at Ashirwad Theatre. The event gave youngsters a memorable glimpse into the world of cinemas. On 10 November, School's Literacy Club conducted the morning assembly and the Dramatic Club presented a play to commemorate Jan Jayantiya Gaurav Pakshta in honor of Bhagwan Birsa Munda. The school's Children's Day celebration of this year centered on a science exhibition followed by an art exhibition, virtual reality show and a food fest. The aim was to celebrate curiosity, creativity and team spirit among students by providing a fun-filled day. On November 14, the Digibite Expo 2025 held in collaboration with Marthoma College Tiruvalla. The inaugural function was graced in the presence of Alvin Sebastian George, Deputy Vice President of Federal Bank Tiruvalla, Tom M. Sebastian, Sales Head Manager of Federal Bank Tiruvalla, Sanjay Krishna, Officer of Federal Bank, Dr. Nurse P. Abraham, Mrs. Aji Alex, Mr. Labby Cherian, and Mr. T.V. Thomas. The art gallery was inaugurated by Commander Mohanan Cherian and Food Fest was officially inaugurated by Mr. Abraham Chako. The event not only reinforced scientific concept but also inspired a deeper interest in STEM among participants. On November 16, LKG to 2nd standard students enjoyed an outing to the Sea View Adventure Park in Alappuzha. Students participated in Central Travancore Sahodaya Kalolotsav 2025 state level competition. Students who secured A grade and their items are as follows. The opener team, Master Gautam Krishna in Sanskrit recitation, Kumari Kriba and Siju in English versification, Kumari Neha and Samuel in story writing English category 4, Kumari Christina T. Aji secured B grade in Malayalam versification. Congratulations to all the winners. School's Eco Club members visited the Community Healthcare Center in Kuttappuzha and the Madhuribhumi Seed Club distributed curry leaf plants to the homes in the school's vicinity, promoting environmental awareness. Kumari Anjana Jaikumar of Class 9 participated in Kerala Central School Sports Meet at Koduman EMS Stadium on 18 November. She claimed first place in long jump under 16 category and third place in 100-meter race. She also secured third place in Asmita Athletic Meet held at Koduman EMS Stadium on 24 November. Heartily congratulations. Students participated in YMCA Balakalolotsav held at Tiruvalla. Kumari Ira Mehrin Shan of UKG won third place in folk dance. Master Nevin secured third place in Malayalam recitation and the LKG UKG group earned third position in group song. On 14 November, our students took part in the elocution competition organized by All Kerala Pensioners Association. The event saw enthusiastic participation across all sections of the school. In lower primary section, Kumari Nidhi M. Shiva secured second prize. In upper primary section, Kumari Arthana Vinod secured first prize. Kumari Lakshmi Rajesh of high school section won first prize. In the high secondary section, Kumari Akshaya Marin Raj secured first position. Their outstanding performance contributed to the St. Jacobite Public School being awarded for the overall championship for the year, a proud moment for the entire school community. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you for listening us and have a nice day.